Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you all. We're diving into the world of Chinese cuisine and uncovering the delicious secrets behind a popular dish, black pepper chicken. But wait, there's more. We'll also reveal some fascinating unknown facts about this delightful recipe. So, let's get started. To begin our culinary adventure, let's take a look at the key ingredients that make Chinese black pepper chicken so irresistible. First, we have tender chicken pieces, diced into bite-sized chunks. Then, we have a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper, which gives this dish its signature kick. And of course, we can't forget the assortment of vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and garlic, that add vibrant colors and flavors. Now, let's fire up the stove and start cooking our Chinese black pepper chicken. But before we do that, let me share with you some intriguing unknown facts about this dish. Fact number 1, black pepper chicken originated in the Sichuan region of China, known for its bold and spicy flavors. The dish draws inspiration from the famous Sichuan peppercorns, which are responsible for the tongue-tingling sensation that pairs perfectly with the rich black pepper taste. Fact number 2, although the name suggests otherwise, black pepper is not the main ingredient in Chinese black pepper chicken. Instead, it acts as a flavor enhancer and provides a warm, earthy note that complements the other ingredients. Fact number 3, Chinese black pepper chicken is known for its balanced combination of spicy and savory flavors. It's a dish that showcases the art of wok hei, the smoky, caramelized taste achieved by cooking over high heat. This technique creates a tantalizing aroma and imparts a distinctive flavor that's hard to resist. And there you have it, our sizzling and aromatic Chinese black pepper chicken. The chicken is tender, the vegetables are crisp, and the black pepper adds a delightful zing. It's a culinary experience you wouldn't want to miss. Now that we've explored the unknown facts and prepared this delicious dish, it's time for the best part, tasting it. Absolutely mouth-watering. The flavors blend so harmoniously, and the black pepper brings a satisfying heat that lingers on the palate. Trust me, you'll fall in love with this dish. That's a wrap for today's video, my fellow foodies. We hope you enjoyed discovering the hidden secrets of Chinese black pepper chicken. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turns out for you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!